Imeya yomasipala iTshwane ithi ukushona kwezakhamuzi ngenxa yesifo sohudo kusolwa ukuthi sibangwe ukuphuza amanzi angalungile kumshiye bambo ngenzansi ngoba amanzi ahlolwa inyanga nenyanga kulomkhandlu dolobha.
So regular routine tests are done on water streams, on supply areas, on a monthly basis, in fact, and none of those tests indicated a positive case of cholera or typhoid or any of the diseases that present a threat to human life.
Wengeze lokuthi ukungabibikho kwezinsiza kusebenza kungenye yezingqinamba eziholela enkingeni efana nalena.
We have to admit that by our own resources we are unable to solve the problem there, and that's why I've met with the Minister of Water and why I've said that the city will have to cooperate with other spheres of government as well as the private sector to get the necessary capital to upgrade the Rooiwal wastewater treatment plant.
Izakhamuzi zase-Hammanskraal ziphawulile ngalesi simo.
This situation is going to affect our businesses because of, as all of us knows, we can't cook without water. So here I'm selling meat for a lot of people and I cook with water.
They say that truck's water is the problem. That water that we're drinking is the one that making us ill.